Welcome guys to the JavaScript tutorial and to the tutorial number 27, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about the sum of the functions of arrays in a JavaScript tutorial. Some of the functions that we're going to talk is concat function, another is push function, another is pop function, and another is sort function. And there are a lot of functions which can be done, like join function, reverse function, is index of function, and a lot of other functions are available, but I'm gonna just tell you about these four, and if the time remains maybe other, but you can learn them. It's once you get the knowledge of these and how they work, you can basically learn every different function that are into the arrays library. Alright, so what we're gonna do is learn about these concat and push and pop and sort functions using the array. So let's just quickly start with the learning process, and we're gonna just comment this out, and we're gonna just create a where uh, we're gonna create a new array. Alright, and what is it, A and B, C. Alright, so there is a new array that is A, and the element is A, B and C in it, and I create another array that is num, and that is another array, and this will be storing 1, 2 and 3, but let's just do it till 3. And what's gonna happen in this is we're gonna just try out this function, that is concat function, into the using these two arrays. And what concat function does is actually appends or add this very array, second array, to the first array. Alright, so what we're gonna do is the new array will be A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Alright, it will be having a 6 elements. This has 3, this has 3, so concat will be having a 6 different elements. Alright, so what we're gonna do is create another array where and what I'm gonna do is how to use concat function of the arrays is just simple. Just write the name of the first array, use the dot operator, type the word concat, and into these parentheses type the second array. Alright, and if I just document dot write this, and what I'm gonna write is the concatenate array is an is an is the concatenated array, which will be showing the result as A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so let's just run this into the Chrome and see the concatenated array is A, B, C, 1, 2 and 3. Alright, and if I do this, definitely num, and I do A over here, so what's gonna happen is the first element will be 1, 2, 3, then A, B and C. It will get reversed, just that is, you can see this 1, 2, 3, A, B and C. Now this is the concat function, which is just an adding of two different arrays. Alright, now the another function is push function, and what it does is adds another element to it adds another element into an array. Alright, for example, let's just push one element. Okay, and let's just push B into A. Alright, what I'm gonna do is use BR break line over here, and what I'm gonna do is A, print out A here, and you know A is an array. Alright, and I have pushed D into this. Now it should give the result as A, B, C and D. Alright, So let's just launching this into the Chrome, and you can see this. This is the first document dot write, and this is the second document write, and this is the array A. Alright, and it shows A, B, C, and D. Similarly, you can push into the num. I just push another element into the num, and we're gonna push 100 over here, and we're just gonna print num, right? And you can see this 1, 2, 3, and 100 is the push element, and this is the element. Alright, this will be pushed as the last element. And another function is a pop function. Pop function is a very just an easy function. What it does is just removes an element, and it removes an element from an array, and what it does is remove the last element of the array. For example, you can see this A has A, B, and C, where when I use this A dot pop function, what it does is remove the C, alright, and give the result as A and B. So if we launch this into Chrome, you can see this. Okay, I didn't save it. Control S, launch again into the Chrome, and you can see this AB. There is no C over here. It has been, because the C element has been popped. Alright, if I Control C and just paste it again, at this point B is also not there, because B is also popped. So as much as time you use, as long as you know there is an element, and if you use however many times pop function, it's gonna delete the last function. It's gonna start from the last element and gonna delete every other element from there onwards. Okay, and so the last function is a very another simple function, that is a sort function, and what it does is just sort the element for you. For example, let's just say I create 2 more elements. Okay, I'm gonna say this as Z, I'm gonna say this as S, I'm gonna give this a K. Alright, now you can see this, these are A, K, C, Z, and S, and these are not sorted. So I use the function a.sort over here, and I just print this A. So let's just run this into the Chrome, and you can see this, it's A, C, K, S, and Z, because Z is the last alphabet, and hence this array is sorted. You can use anything over here, and alright, it will be done just as needed. Alright, so if this is the array, if I run this into the Chrome, what's gonna happen is, see this AASS ASDK C, then goes F, and then goes Z. So even a strings or a character or anything, numerical value 2 are gonna sort by this function, and they will numerical values is just gonna be into the ascending order, and the alphabets or the strings are gonna be according to the alphabetical orders. So that's a sort function for you. For in the next tutorial we might talk about objects, or maybe do functions of the array. So thank you guys for watching, have a great day.